Hello everyone, I'm Siddhant, and after the time of couple of months, I've got an opportunity to be with you, and today I'm excited to show you step by step how you can know the password of your connected Wi-Fi on your Windows PC through a very simple and quick method. So first of all, on the source panel of your taskbar, search for control panel and one window will pop up, and here on this category you have to select large icons, and then you have to click on network and sharing center. Next, as you all can see here, if your device is connected with Wi-Fi, so here it will show the name of your connected Wi-Fi and you have to double click on this, and then now you have to click on wireless properties, and next you have to click on security, and here is the password, and as you all can see here is the dot dot dot. To show them in characters you have to just click on show characters, and now here you can see the password of your connected Wi-Fi. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned how you can show the password of your connected Wi-Fi. Thank you.